Quick overview of the Morgan Report for June 2013, returned from Vancouver, BC. Not a lot of enthusiasm. A lot of people want to know if this bottom. Talked about that, looked at the commitment of traders. We're in a very big extreme, what that means, talking about the geopolitical situation and what that means with the physical gold market is getting very interesting out there on the amount of people and entities speaking about settling in cash and not getting physical gold. Spoke about the royalty companies. A lot of our choices are there and why it's very important to know how to make money, especially in today's market. And we go through some of the metrics on our portfolio review. Didn't review every company, but we chose several of them, and on and on. So we do the metrics in here. It's very, not many companies or people in this industry do at our level. This is kind of bank quality reporting that unless you have $1 million or $2 or $3 million portfolios, you don't get this type of analysis. Anyway, moving on. One that I really like was this one here, the compounded annual growth rate. I'm not going to read you all of the companies over here. In fact, we'll probably blur them out. Most of these are ours in our portfolio. And, of course, no one knows the future, but look at some of these compounded annual growth rates. This one is on our list, this fourth one down, 54%. That's a compounded annual growth rate for 5 years. Another one that's on, actually came off of our list. Company decided not to mine. It would have been a 54%. One that I spoke about on the Michael Campbell show. After that, it went up about 30%. It's off now. That's got a 68% 5-year compounded annual growth rate. Another one we like, a lot of you guys at the show came up and asked me about it and said, please just hold it. I think this company is really going to do well over the longer term. It's a 53.3% compounded annual growth rate. So there are opportunities out there, and certainly we're nearing the bottom, at a bottom. The consensus at the show was pretty negative. A lot of people think the bottom's going to be here a lot longer than I do, but time will tell. And then, of course, questions we take every month. I only had a few this month that I put in for everyone's benefit. And lastly, the portfolio with the top tier, mid-tier, and of course our speculative portfolio. So that will do it for this month. Remember, if you join our free email list, you do have a one-time opportunity to get the full Morgan Report on a trial basis. You get to see everything on the members-only website for 30 days, and after that time, or before 30 days, if it's for you, great. If it's not, you can opt out, no charge. You got to see everything that we do, and it's too much to go into really on what we do as far as the reports, because there's videos, there's special reports, there's trading tips. There's a lot more than just the reports on the members only section. Until next month, David Morgan out.